Welcome to our deep dive into the mysterious and fascinating world beneath the ocean's surface. Hidden beneath waves that ebb and flow with the tide lies a realm of such immense scale and wonder that it dwarfs even the grandest of our terrestrial landscapes. Today we'll explore some of the most amazing creatures that inhabit the depths of our oceans. In this alien environment, life takes on forms both familiar and fantastical, sculpted by the relentless pressures of the abyss and the perpetual darkness that shrouds their world. Our journey begins with a creature long shrouded in myth and legend, the giant squid. These colossal invertebrates, rarely observed in their natural habitat, can grow to truly astonishing sizes. Imagine, if you will, a creature whose eyes, the size of dinner plates, peer out from the inky blackness, its massive body longer than a bus, propelled by powerful jets of water. These denizens of the deep, once relegated to the realm of sailors' tales and whispered superstitions, are very real, and their existence speaks to the awe-inspiring diversity of life that our oceans hold. For centuries, the giant squid was known only from the fragmentary remains that occasionally washed ashore, their immense carcasses offering tantalizing glimpses into a world hidden from our view. But with the advent of deep-sea submersibles, we've begun to pierce the veil of secrecy surrounding these enigmatic creatures. The giant squid's life cycle remains a mystery. We know they are solitary creatures, their vast size a testament to their position as apex predators in their deep-sea domain. They are thought to feed on fish and other squid, using their powerful tentacles armed with rows of serrated suckers to capture and subdue their prey. Their large beaks, similar in structure to those of parrots, can deliver a powerful bite, capable of tearing through flesh and bone with ease. Despite their formidable size and hunting prowess, giant squid are not without their own enemies. Sperm whales, the largest toothed predators on Earth, are known to prey upon these deep-sea giants. Scars and sucker marks found on the bodies of sperm whales attest to the ferocity of these underwater battles, epic encounters in the abyssal darkness. As we descend further into the abyssal depths, we encounter a creature that seems almost to have been designed for this world of perpetual darkness, the anglerfish. This remarkable fish has evolved a unique and ingenious method of attracting prey in the pitch-black depths, a bioluminescent lure. Imagine, if you will, a tiny light flickering enticingly in the vast darkness of the deep sea. This light, produced by specialized bacteria living in a symbiotic relationship with the anglerfish, dangles from a modified spine that protrudes from the fish's head like a fishing rod, hence their name. This lure is a masterpiece of deception, its gentle glow mimicking the bioluminescence of smaller creatures that inhabit the deep. Unsuspecting prey, drawn in by the promise of an easy meal, venture too close to the anglerfish, only to be met with a set of lightning-fast reflexes and a cavernous mouth filled with needle-sharp teeth. The anglerfish's body is perfectly adapted for its ambush predator lifestyle. Its soft, fleshy body is almost invisible in the darkness, its dark coloration providing excellent camouflage against the backdrop of the deep sea. Its large mouth and expandable stomach allow it to consume prey larger than itself, ensuring that it can make the most of any opportunity that presents itself in this world of scarce resources. Interestingly, the anglerfish exhibits extreme sexual dimorphism. The females, which possess the distinctive lure, can grow to be several inches long, while the males are dwarfed in comparison, reaching only a fraction of the size. In many anglerfish species, the male will actually attach himself to the body of the female, fusing his tissues with hers and becoming permanently dependent on her for sustenance. Our journey takes us deeper still, into a realm known as the Midnight Zone, a place of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and frigid temperatures. Here, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life finds a way. And amongst the strange and wonderful creatures that call this place home is the deep-sea dragonfish. These fish, with their elongated bodies and fearsome-looking teeth, are perfectly adapted to life in the abyss. Their dark coloration, often black or deep red, helps them blend into the background, making them practically invisible to both predators and prey. Like many creatures of the deep, The deep-sea dragonfish has evolved the remarkable ability to produce its own light through a process known as bioluminescence. Specialized organs called photophores located along its body and head emit light, creating intricate patterns that serve a variety of purposes. For some species, bioluminescence is used as a form of communication, allowing them to signal potential mates in the vast darkness of the deep. Others use their light displays to startle or confuse predators, giving them a precious few moments to escape. And still, others use their bioluminescence to attract prey, much like the anglerfish we encountered earlier. But the deep-sea dragonfish has one more trick up its sleeve. Unlike most bioluminescent creatures, which produce a blue or green light, the dragonfish emits a red light. This is significant because most deep-sea creatures are unable to perceive red light. This gives the dragonfish a unique advantage, allowing it to hunt and communicate without alerting either its predators or its prey. Our exploration of the ocean depths brings us face to face with a creature so unusual, so seemingly out of place, that it has earned the nickname the goblin shark. This elusive creature, with its distinctive elongated snout and protrusible jaws, is a true living fossil, a relic of a bygone era when sharks first began to rule the seas. Imagine, if you will, a creature with a long, flattened snout resembling a blade extending out from its head. But this is no ordinary snout. It houses a complex network of electroreceptors, highly sensitive organs that allow the goblin shark to detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey in the pitch-black depths. When a potential meal is detected, the goblin shark's jaws erupt forward with startling speed and agility. This jaw protrusion is a marvel of biomechanics. The goblin shark's upper jaw is not directly attached to its skull, but instead is held in place by ligaments and cartilage. This allows the shark to launch its jaws forward, extending its reach by several inches to snatch unsuspecting prey from the surrounding water. Once caught in the goblin shark's grasp, escape is all but impossible. Rows of needle-like teeth angled inwards ensure that any struggling prey is securely held. The goblin shark's feeding strategy is a testament to its evolutionary adaptation to a deep-sea environment where food is scarce and opportunities must be seized with ruthless efficiency. Despite its fearsome appearance and predatory prowess, the goblin shark is not a threat to humans. In fact, encounters with these elusive creatures are exceedingly rare. They spend most of their lives in the dimly lit depths, far from the surface world we know. Our final encounter on this journey into the abyss brings us face to face with a creature whose name evokes images of gothic horror, yet whose appearance is both beautiful and strangely captivating: the vampire squid. This remarkable cephalopod, named for its dark coloration and webbed arms, is not a squid at all, but occupies its own distinct branch on the tree of life. Imagine, if you will, a creature with a velvety black body, large expressive eyes, and 8 arms connected by a web of skin resembling a cloak. But unlike its namesake, the vampire squid does not feast on blood. Instead, it has adapted to survive in the oxygen minimum zones of the deep sea, where few other creatures can exist. In this world of perpetual twilight, the vampire squid employs a unique set of defense mechanisms to evade predators and survive in this challenging environment. It can invert its webbed arms over its body, effectively turning itself inside out, revealing rows of bioluminescent photophores that create a dazzling display of light. This bioluminescent show serves to disorient and confuse potential predators, giving the vampire squid precious time to escape. It can also release a bioluminescent cloud of mucus, creating a diversionary smokescreen that allows it to slip away unnoticed. Despite its fearsome name and otherworldly appearance, the vampire squid is a gentle giant subsisting on marine snow, a constant rain of organic detritus that falls from the surface waters above. Its role in the deep-sea ecosystem, while not fully understood, is undoubtedly crucial to the delicate balance of this unique and fascinating environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of the ocean. We've encountered creatures of immense size and power, witnessed ingenious adaptations to a world of eternal darkness, and glimpsed the delicate balance of life in this most extreme of environments. The deep sea, once thought to be a barren and lifeless void, is teeming with life, a testament to the boundless creativity and resilience of nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations of our natural world. There's so much more to discover, so many more secrets to uncover, so many more wonders to inspire awe and wonder. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.